Hello viewers, how are you? I wish everyone is well, and today I am going to show you Digisol dual band Wi-Fi router. That's not router overview, that's only this device user interface overview. One of my friend have this router, so I am getting access this router, and I think why not I am share this router overview with my channel. So that's why I'm going to show you that's router internal settings and overview with this router. Basically this router is dual band 5G and 2G. You know now 5G is all over exploring. Our new device comes with 5G. That's why 5G is more basically we want it more, and then 2G also every device old device comes with 2.4G. Our TV, our fridge, our regular connectivity device is 2.4G. That's why both are very need. So that's why this router is dual band, and Digisol mainly Indian brand. Now I am in Bangladesh and I am getting this router. I don't know far from my friend get it, and I am accessing over remotely from my home. And if you use this router, and have you any experience, or if I am mistake to tell this anything or facility about I'm going to miss this video, then please write in comment what is the extra feature or extra options in this router. You can see here I am exploring 2.4G Wi-Fi section, and how to you can change this router Wi-Fi password, Wi-Fi signals, Wi-Fi name. I'm trying to show you, but I am trying to show you another video with individually the option. This is only this router user experience and user interface. And also this router is Gigabit router. In this router all LAN ports are Gigabit, WAN ports are Gigabit. So if you uses is very high, then you can use it this router. This router for high-end user who uses many devices with high-end capacity needs, like laptop, like computer, live streaming, gaming, and high-end devices he have or she have. Then this router is appropriate for them. And thank you very much, and stay with me and watching this video till the end, and have a great day. If you like my video, then hit the subscribe button, and if I am mistake anything to tell here, then please write in my comment for my subscriber. And if you already subscribe my channel, then please hit the like button if you like my video, or if you don't like, then please comment why you not like, then I'll fix it next video or next time. Have a good day. Thank you very much.